Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here at Toledo Bend Lake. Making another video today. Today's video is going to be about a new service that I'm rolling out. It's called the Rebuild Carburetor service. All right. So this service was come about by a subscriber of mine named Chuck, who contacted me and said he wanted to buy a carburetor. I have over 100 carburetors listed in my eBay store. He wanted to buy a carburetor, but he wanted me to rebuild it before I sent it out to him. Normally I sell these carburetors as is, and when you get them, you have to clean them and rebuild them yourself. So I agreed to it. So the carburetor was listed at $69. So I told him I'll just revise the listing to $169 to cover the rebuild, the carb kit and the labor of rebuilding it, cleaning it, and testing it. And he accepted the deal, and he bought the carburetor off of eBay from me for $169. I took it and put it on my 6 horsepower. He wanted it for his 1973 6 horsepower Johnson. So I have a 6 horsepower Johnson in my test motors, and I took it out there after it was rebuilt and I ran it on my test motor. Here's a video of it running right now. Here's the carb that Chuck bought off of eBay. I took it out, created the shipping label, ready to ship it, took it apart. It was missing the jets and the venturi, so I took the carb kit, modified everything, made it look good, and put it in the barrel. There you go. There's Chuck's carburetor running good on the 6 horsepower. I'll be shipping it out today. So now I'm just going to take that carburetor and ship it to Chuck, and it should run like a clock when he puts it on his 6 horsepower. So if any of you out there want to buy one of my carburetors and you want to have it rebuilt, just add $100 to the price, contact me. I'll revise the eBay listing and rebuild it, shoot a video of it running, and ship it to you. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. See y'all next time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. I love what I do. I especially love helping people with their hobby and providing all the services that you need to work on these vintage outboard motors. So I'd like to take this opportunity to go over the things that I can offer you. So first thing is my eBay store. I have an eBay store, been having it for 10 or 12 years, have over 2,000 parts. If you need parts, T-Mike's eBay store is where to go. I have a link for all these things down in the description. Just click on the link, it'll bring you right to my store. I also offer a mail-in service program. You can ship me your magneto, carburetor, or gear case. I'll repair it here, test it on my motors, and send it right back to you. All right. I also offer technical consulting. I have a link down in the description on eBay to buy it, $40 an hour. I don't mind you calling me and helping you for 10 or 15 minutes for free. If it takes longer than that and you want to dedicate an hour or two towards helping it, just buy one of these items on eBay and I'll give you technical consulting. I also do repair, service, and restoration on outboard motors. You've seen my videos, you've seen my work. Here's a link to the video to give you the prices for doing that work. You can ship me your motor, I can restore it for you and ship it back to you. All right. I've also started selling parts on eBay. All right. I sell a full tune-up kit, the master kit. It's got everything you need: coils, points, condensers, spark plugs, spark wires with the boots on them, everything you need to rebuild your carburetor. And then I also sell all these parts individually. You can buy just the coils, just the tune-up kit, just the spark plugs, just the spark wires if you want. All right. And also I'm now offering T-Mike Vintage Outboard caps and mouse pads. If you want to join the T-Mike Club, all these links are down in the description. Also, I would like to mention that if you have any videos that I don't have that you would like to make, just hit me on YouTube or text me at 337-278-5429. I'll gladly make a video. I've got over 270 now videos on these motors. I think I have everything covered, but if I don't, just go ahead and hit me up. I'd love to make a video to help you guys out. And always remember and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video.